So we have another special logarithm, and they're called natural logarithms. I guess it just has a special base. So when you have log base e of 5.2, that is called a natural log. So when the base is e, it's a natural log. And so there's special notation, and it's written ln of 5.2. So when you see ln, that means the base is e, that it's a natural log. Now, sometimes that L looks like a 1, so you kind of have to be careful. Sometimes I'll write it like with a loopy L like that, ln, just so I know it's not a 1. But you'll see it typed, and it's on your calculator. So on your calculator, you should have a button that says ln. I'm trying to think. Mine actually has ln like that. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. My calculator has capital L and a capital N, so it looks like that. And then above that on my calculator, it says e to the x, right? Because those would be inverses of each other. Okay, so you should have a natural log button on your calculator. It's going to look like either that. It might be in lowercase. Calculators are different, so. But usually when we're writing it by hand, we use the lowercase letters. Okay, so in this example, it says evaluate y equals natural log of 500 to 4 decimal places using a calculator. And again, we need a calculator. So we're just going to type in our calculator. We're going to hit the ln button, and then it's going to open a parenthesis. We'll put in 500, close it off, and then it's going to give us an approximation. So it's very handy for us to have calculators that know this, and we can just type the 500, and it gives me 6 point, I'm going 4 decimals, 2146. Okay, so that's what I would put for the answer. Back in the old days, when they didn't let us use scientific calculators in school, we had tables in the back of our textbooks, and then we had to look up the logarithms using the tables. And they usually would have a base 10 table, like a common log table, natural log table, and there'd usually be like one for base 2. Sometimes they'd have more than that. But I don't even remember, it was so long ago. But yeah, back in the olden days, we had tables where we looked up these logarithms. Now your calculator, it just has those tables inside somehow, and it just knows the information. So